Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm going to have a stab at this Abus EC75 30mm brass dimple padlock. I opened it for the first time earlier today. I don't have a dimple flag small enough to fit in here. So I got creative and I'm using my custom Lock Junkie half diamond from Southern Specialties. So let's insert this 30 thou Z-bar and let's see what we can figure out here. Boom. Just like that, we got the open. All right, that was actually really cool. It does a little faster than I thought, but look at that. You know what I gotta do now, eh? Ka-cha! Slayed! Like, subscribe, share, comment. Till next time, you know I'll be catching you later, guys. Thank you so much.